Hello guys, good afternoon. It's the next day, and like I have told you guys that today is Favour's day, so we are going as a family because it's a big day. Favour is graduating today plus their end of the school year party, so it's a big day. Hubby is here, the boys at the back, then my angel there. Now Blessing is still in school. We are going to be picking her up later. Okay, we are going to the venue now and I'll see you guys there. Let's go. My kitty pie, give us outfit of the day. Ooh. Yeah, go 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 go. You look good, you look and smell good, eh? And they pimp you well.
Nella valigia del tuo futuro, io so, vorresti mettere tante cose, ma poche sono quelle veramente preziose.
Per compiere un lungo viaggio si fossi a mettere al coraggio, quella strana energia interiore che ci aiuta a prendere la strada migliore.
E perché il cammino noioso non sia, porterei con me la fantasia, che ci dischiude mondi inesplorati e rende veri i sogni immaginati.
Se fossi in te, mai potrei scordare la tenerezza del sapere amare, né perderei a qualunque età la mia coscienza, la mia dignità.
Facendo in modo che non sia stretto, metterei in valigia tanto rispetto. Rispetto per ciò che dona la natura, rispetto per l'arte e per ogni cultura, rispetto per lo studio e il lavoro di domani, rispetto per i deboli e per gli anziani, rispetto perché ti ha cresciuto ed educato, per ogni persona che un po' di sé ti ha dato. Infine non scorderai tanta lealtà che viaggia insieme alla sincerità.
C'è ancora posto nel tuo bagaglio? Allora mettici qualche piccolo sbaglio.
Non vado in ordine alfabetico, ma come vengono, insomma. Allora, Matteo. Un applauso per Matteo. Giada. Giada. Pietro. Tutto. Aurora. Chiara. Marco. Alessandro. Ettore. Edoardo. Favour. Alice.
How do you feel? Blessing is here. My lord, do park your motor gikaigawa. Mama, how are you? Aya, come down. I mean, how was school today? Guys, we are done here now and we are going back home to come out by 6 in the evening for their chop. Of course they will be eating something, so they said it's in the evening time, so we'll be coming out again. See you then. We are going back home to rest. No be small thing. But it was beautiful. See, something I love about these people, they are so coordinated, organized, no interruptions, no noise. Like everything went so smooth at its time, not wasting time for no reason. No interruptions whatsoever. Like, how organized can these people be? How? It was beautiful. Anyway, see you guys later. Hey guys, so we are here now. We are at the same place we came yesterday for Blessings party, the same venue. This is where we came yesterday, and that's where they set the table that yesterday. See Favour there. Yeah, so people are still coming though. They have not yet started. It's just to eat together for the last time before they part ways. It's actually their graduation party, not end of the school year party for Favour. It's only her class that did the party, not the whole school. But Blessings only is towards the whole school. So yeah, but they are still going to school though. Lesson school will continue till 29th of this month. But Favour, Joshua and Caleb, their school closed today. Yes, today. So they are no more going to school. It's only Blessing that will be going to school till 29th. Yeah, so we are here now waiting. I'll show you guys what they prepared for us, and we'll call it a wrap. Yeah, keep it and take another one. Where is your chair? Go and take plates and take your own food, okay? Can you guess what the time now is? You won't believe it, but this is 8:51 p.m. and everywhere is still bright. Look at although the street lights are on. See this one, see this one here. So we are going back home. They are not completely done, but I just decided to go because I can't. I'm tired of sitting there. And they served us well. You guys have seen what we ate. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for coming along with us. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye and good night.